Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can put your Instagram on quiet mode. So, on during this quiet mode period, you won't receive notification alerts. Means even though if someone text you on Instagram, you won't be notified. So, I'll show you how you can turn that on. How to put it on. Open your Instagram, and this is the home page. Click on your profile pic at bottom. See here at the bottom you will have the profile picture. You need to click on this, and after that you need to tap on these three bars at right top corner. After this, click on settings and privacy, and here you will see a option called notifications. Tap on this. Yeah, here you can see quiet mode. Tap on quiet mode, and by default this will be enabled, so you need to click on enable, and this is a automatic setting. If you keep this enabled daily, from this point to this point your Instagram will be in quiet mode. So 11 p.m. at night and up to 7 a.m. in the morning. So all these hours, see here, I'll read for you, will mute the notification during the quiet mode. Your status and auto reply will be updated in quiet mode, so the other persons will be shown something as the current person kept is in quiet mode. So Instagram will notify something like that, the other person is in quiet mode, something like that. So this is how you can put your Instagram on quiet mode. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.